Hey guys, I'm just gonna hop in here real quick and just say welcome to my channel if you're new. There's a fly in here. I am a nurse, so I have been having to put in some extra hours at work this week, which in return has left me not being able to film as much. So this is some content that I had filmed previously of us cleaning our garden area. Didn't know if I was ever going to use it or not, but I'm able to use it now. So I am glad you're here, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Before Jay and I moved into this house, an older gentleman used to live here, and pigs used to be raised on this concrete slab. There probably has not been any livestock in this area since the 70s, which resulted in the area being overran with weeds, vines, and other miscellaneous things. I figured this would be the perfect area to put raised garden beds, since we did not have a great area to put a garden straight into the ground. Usually how things happen is I have an idea, I tell Jay the idea, and then the poor guy is stuck helping me with my never-ending list of projects. Luckily, he is so supportive in everything that I want to do. And so, we began the cleaning of the garden-to-be area. On the first day of cleaning off the area, we focused on getting rid of all the big objects. We borrowed my father-in-law's truck and loaded up everything we could and brought it over to a junk pile at my brother's house. Since the area was so overtaken with vines, we needed to use the tractor to loosen some various items that had been entangled by vines and to also scrape off some old weeds and dirt. Last summer, Jay had started to clean out the inside of the barn. I wish I had started recording then, because there was so much junk inside. Anyways, Jay had to place some of the metal he had found inside of the barn outside. So I loaded that up as well to go to the metal pile at my brother's. Here is the progress from the first day of cleaning.
So we got a big pile of bricks and stuff that we need to get rid of over here. It was supposed to be like 60 degrees today and sunny, and instead we got like 40 degrees and foggy and chance of rain. So that's a bummer, but still want to get some work done here. It did get a little warmer out, not sunshine yet, but the rock pile, brick pile, whatever was all there is gone.
Since I am still working during this time, Jay took over on day 2 and got some cleaning done while I was at work. When I got home from work, I started by chainsawing down some vines that had grown up the side of the barn. We ended the project by sweeping off all the old dirt and weeds. If you watched my previous video, you will see that we have already moved our garden beds onto the concrete. We are so happy with how the area turned out and cannot wait to see it finished.